Here you go.
I don't want to see my gator.
All right, Emma.
There's
Here,
another one.
you gotta feed them. Here's a piece. Yeah, slow it. Throw it out there like Daddy. Watch this. Woo!
I'm gonna throw it out that far.
Like a frisbee.
That was fall.
Like woo! Like that.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you
Let
can.
me record them.
Yeah, smile and tell everybody what we're doing. What are we doing today?
Feeding the seagulls.
Feeding the seagulls. Watch Daddy sling one out there. Woo! Boy, that's a big one. He's as big as a chicken.
Yeah, he ate the bread.
He's as big as a... He's big, isn't he? He's a monster. He's huge.
And the other one got
There, he can eat another one.
Uh-oh. Let me have one.
There you go.
I have to get up.
Okay, go ahead and get up. Just don't stand on the other loaf.
I poured it out that
You
far.
want some more?
Yeah.
Here you go. They said thank you today, didn't they? It's cold out.
Well, good thing they said thank you.
Here.
Here's some more flying down.
There you go. Feed
There was
them.
a crow.
Uh-oh, crow. That's okay. You gotta watch where you swing your arm.
No. Missed again.
I see Emma. You gonna throw some bread. Careful, don't fall out the window.
Yeah, they ate it.
Aren't you glad we came back now?
Yeah.
Here, feed that one close to us.
Which one?
Pick one. Oops.
Eat them. Eat the bread.
Do they want
Oh,
more?
he ate one. He ate a piece.
Do they want more?
Yeah, they do.
They do.
They
Well,
do.
guess what we got?
We got one more loaf.
We got one more loaf. Here's the big ones.
He took it before he did.
That's silly birds, aren't they?
He took it before.
Daddy's gonna sling one out there. Watch this. Woo!